Welcome back. It's great to see our friends from Arctic Food Equipment. Nathan's here today, and we are talking about convenient refrigerators for all kinds of spaces. We have one of these downstairs in our bar area.
Yeah, we always talk about all the different things that we have. You know, at Arctic, we've got everything from shot glasses all the way up to refrigeration, you know, big walk-ins, but sometimes it's nice to just kind of show off what we do have that can be used in different applications. So these are kind of small units. We've got glass door and actually solid door options. They fit under countertops like you talked about, a couple different sizes. We're seeing a lot of people put them on like retail counters. You could put it in your gas station, or if you've got a small retail store and you wanted to sell energy drinks or something else, or maybe a gym where you're wanting to display some food or some kind of nutrition, protein something you're trying to, something that you're trying to sell. It's just a good way to boost the revenue of your store and maybe some less traditional customers. You know, our restaurants are used to coming in, but there's just a lot of different options for this. And of course, you know, like you said, you've got one in your basement. A lot of people have a wine cooler or a little mini beer fridge or something like that. This makes a great option. And it is, and Atosta is actually a really good brand. They're a commercial brand that we carry, and they make all kinds of cooking equipment. They've got a really great warranty and just a really quality product. So, you know, you could run to a big box store and get something similar, but it's going to be a residential grade. It's going to be maybe not as good of a manufacturer, and these are just really solid.
Nice. So this is more durable than what you probably find.
Yeah. So this one's more durable. It actually has, you can actually buy an extended warranty on it that, you know, that lasts up to 5 years
on a
compressor, which is kind of unheard of on the residential side. It's just a really good product. It's a little bit better built, a little bit more solid. I
might need to trade ours in. I'm going to be honest. Ours is probably really cheap. It's just it's not a glass front like this.
Right. Yeah, and it's kind of nice because you can see what you've got out there.
You got in there.
You got to have the glass.
We've got something to have a display as well. So again, if you're trying to boost your retail sales, or you're trying to find a way to maybe make that square footage worth a little more money, and the economy the way it is right now, all the retail places, a lot of different storefronts, and they're just trying to find ways to make a little extra money. And this is something that you can do.
I think that's a great idea.
It's got a cap and it lights up. You can put a really cool display on it. So
how nice.
A lot of different options and different things that we've got.
You know what I saw recently is I saw one this size, and it might have been yours. It was at a fundraiser, and it was wrapped with Chiefs.
Oh,
they do that kind of stuff as well.
Do you guys do that also, or not?
We don't do the wrap, but I've got a few contacts that can
absolutely.
You can set us up.
This is a great idea. Or if you want to just have it for yourself. If you were mentioning gas stations or something, maybe you just have it behind the counter for yourself if you want a little extra.
Or your workshop or your garage.
That's a great idea.
A she shed.
We are running a special on them too. So if you want to come in and get them, we're they're 10% off right now, and we'd love to hook you up, get you set up with it.
And while you're in there, guys, take a look at some of the other things that they have, because you might be surprised all the great items that you have there.
And I think you guys ran the shoot that Jeremy and I did with the robot. You know, come check out Survey and see our robot and see. I mean, we just got some really neat stuff in there.
That is so cool. It's a robot that you can. Well, I mean, if you wanted to buy it for your house,
you can put your robot in your house.
But it brings you things.
I would definitely.
You program it to bring you things.
You sell those too?
Yeah. We lease.
We got to talk after this.
Cool.
Now I see a number right here on the side. So what's the service like if this were to break down? Or
you could give us a call. We do full line of service as well. Not generally for the residential side. I don't think you really have a lot of problems with this. But if you are a restaurant or a gas station, church, school, you know, grocery store, you name it, if you've got commercial equipment, we'll fix it, whether it's cooking equipment, refrigeration, ice machines, even air conditioners. We'll pretty much fix anything in the commercial setting.
And speaking of service, I know you're probably looking for some employees, and you were just saying earlier, I mean, guys, if you're in need of a job, these guys will train you, plus they only have a 4-day workday.
Yeah, we're actually transitioning our service crews to a 4-day, so they get 4 10s basically, and then a 3-day weekend every week, which has actually also allowed us to service our customers better, because now you can call us on Saturday and Sunday, and it's if you're calling during normal business hours, it's just a regular time call, so you don't have to wait till Monday to pay normal prices. We've just gone to basically a 7-day work week, and we're really excited about that. I think it's going to be a really good recruiting tool to get in some good technicians and really help take care of our customers.
How many employees do you have?
We're about 15 or 18 service techs, I think.
We're on
awesome.
Great. Okay, give them a call today.
Yeah,
you need one of these. We'll be back right after this.